Hi, I'm Paul, and in this series of videos I'm going to be showing you how to create your own custom signals on the Tradingview platform and use those to trade cryptocurrencies automatically using the execution trading bot. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can get to see all of this series of videos, and hit the like button to tell other people so they can benefit from these as well. Alright, that being said, I hope you enjoy this. Let's get started. Now, another way of doing alerts on here is to use the screener function. So if you click on your username right here, come back to the home screen, and hover your mouse over the screener button, it opens up a menu and you've got this cryptocurrency signal finder right here. So click on that and it will open up the a screen of cryptocurrencies. And this really is a wonderful feature of Tradingview, and again really worthwhile getting to know how this works. So essentially, the first thing you can do, just briefly, is filter very quickly for cryptocurrencies. So you could just say Bitcoin USDT, and that will show you Bitcoin versus Tether on all the exchanges that do that. So we can see Bittrex Financing, Poloniex, and it shows you the values, the opening, the closing, the high, the change, and we can see the difference in value across those exchanges. If we look just Bitcoin USD, then it will show us Bitcoin across all the exchanges. It's an active graph, so for example you can click on the close price and it will sort it for you in order of that close price. And so using that, we can see very quickly that HIT BTC is showing the close price on that one at 7,099, whereas Bittrex is showing it at 6,864. So a bit of a difference between the price right there. Alright, so what else can we do? Let's remove that filter and show you how we can set up filters and alerts on this whole chart. So over here you can see there's a chart called Top Gainers. If you pull that down, you can see that there are other built-in charts. What I'm going to do right now is save screen as, and I'm going to make this my own. So I'll put in my initials and I'll just call it PDB chart right now. So we'll hit save on that one. Now, what I'm going to start doing is applying filters to this. So my chart will have my set of filters applied. And what I actually want to do is very simply, I mean, you open that up and you've got lots and lots of filters that you can apply. So I'm just going to do it on the MACD for now. But the thing here is that you can apply multiple filters. So let's do MACD. We'll search for that, and we can see here MACD level, and we're going to say crosses up, not a value, but actually over the MACD signal line. So what that's going to do is every time the MACD level crosses up above the MACD signal line, which is what we're looking for a solid trade, it's going to show us that on this list right here. The other thing I might want to do is add another filter so that it shows only my exchange, because if I'm only trading on one exchange, then I only care about signals on that. So exchange, and we can see it lists exchange right there, and I want to select Poloniex. Okay, now I can close that, and this is showing me all the cryptocurrencies on the Poloniex exchange where the MACD has crossed above the signal line. Now at the moment it's looking at a 15-minute chart, so let me just switch that back to the 1 hour chart. And now that is looking at the same detail that it was looking at on the chart. Now I'm just going to save that, save screen as, save it as the same name, that's fine. So now every time I look at the PDB chart, it will come up and it will show me all of these filters all working exactly as I've set them up right now. And of course I can add other filters to that, but where it gets really good is that I can set an alert. So if I enable alerts, I can say show pop-up, play sound, send an email, put this text in my email and enable it. So what's going to happen now is that every time a coin appears on this list, i.e. the MACD value crosses above the signal line, and it's on the Poloniex exchange, it's going to send me an email. Now if I've got Gmail on my phone, then I'm going to get an alert in real time on my phone whenever that's happening, and it will allow me to go ahead and look at that and see if I want to trade on it. So really neat way of getting alerts sent to your phone for trading purposes. And of course, if you're out at work and you haven't got the time to spend trading, then if you have a system that can receive those signals and trade for you, then it can just get on with it 24 hours a day. And you can set up signals as complicated as you like to take full advantage of the power of Tradingview to do that. And that's basically what we do with execution. We pick up these signals and we execute the trades for you. Well, I hope you found that useful. Don't forget to subscribe and like so that you can get to see the other videos in this series. Execution is cryptocurrency trading software that works based on signals generated from Tradingview. It's written by Enable Code, which is a social enterprise based in Vietnam that trains and hires software developers with disability. All the money made by this software goes towards helping Enable Code to grow and hire and train more people living with difficult circumstances in Vietnam. So we appreciate your support. Thanks for watching.